equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the fan in your HP NV13R0006NS laptop. This task is essential for maintaining your device's performance and preventing overheating. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static damage. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips as you do this. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the fan, which is typically situated near the heatsink. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris around the fan area. This can help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. Next, disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. This is usually a small connector that can be gently pulled out. After that, you'll need to unscrew the fan from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and keep them handy for the new fan installation. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the fan out of its compartment. Take a moment to compare the old fan with the new one to ensure they match. If you're not comfortable with this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, it's time to install the new fan. Place it into the compartment, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by screwing it down with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the power cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly attached. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to test the new fan. Power on your laptop and listen for the fan's operation. If it's running smoothly, you're ready to put the back cover back on. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. To reassemble, simply align the back cover with the laptop and press down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw the back cover back on using the screws you set aside earlier. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the fan in your HP NV13R0006NS laptop. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your device. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We are here to help you keep your laptop running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.